Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, kids. This is Nair, sir. Thank you for coming on my channel. Those who are coming for the first time, thank you very much. And those who are coming back, welcome. What we are doing is we are doing Cambridge IGCSE Year 11, Chapter number 5, Exercise 9, Algebra 2. Okay, that is a lesson name from your Year 11. Make the letter in square bracket the subject. Okay, let's see what to do and how to do. This first question is x is the subject. So ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Ax, all this goes to this side, so becomes minus by minus c. A is multiplied to x, so what is the opposite of multiplication? Division. Minus by minus c upon a. That's my answer. Okay, let's look the second one. Okay, second one is interesting. Root of a y square minus b is equal to e, and is asking subject is y. All right, what is the first thing? When the moment I see, I do squaring both the sides. So square both sides. So what do I get? This will become a y square minus b is equal to e square. Multiply a with y square. A y square minus ab is equal to e square. Okay, I'm just rubbing this off. So I need to keep the subject on my left hand side. So a y square, and what is this? Minus ab. When it goes to the side, what does it become? Plus is equal to e square plus ab. Now I have got a multiply y square and a is multiplied. So what will have opposite of multiplication will be division. A square plus ab upon a. This is y square. Remember that. So what do I need? Subject to be only y. So y is, so what do I do? Square root. So what do I get that? I am getting this as y is equal to plus or minus root of e square plus ab upon a. That's my answer. Hope you're liking it. Share it across with your friends so that they also know how to solve these questions. Because this is a very important part of mathematics. It will keep on coming to you. If you don't know this, you will make a lot of mistakes. Okay, question number 3. Question number 3 tells me square root of. Okay, good. Now, square root of a minus m upon n is equal to 1 upon m. Okay, I am being asked to make k. Okay, k is my subject. So let me write this as k minus m. This is n is divided to this. When it goes to the side, what will become? Multiply. So is equal to n upon m. Now square root, so square. Square, squaring both sides. So what do I get? K minus m is equal to n square upon m square. And what is my constant? K. Okay. So this is minus. So what happens? K is equal to n square upon m square. Minus comes to this side, it becomes plus. This is my answer. Okay. Let's go next. Okay, I think question number 4 you can do. Question number 5 you can do. 6 also you can do. I will look on directly the 8th one. Yes, this one. T is equal to 2 pi root of B upon G. What is the subject? B. Again, this is a square root. So squaring both sides. So what do I get? T square is equal to 2 pi is 4 pi square into T upon G. So this is very easy. Okay, how? This can be written as T square is equal to 4 pi square B upon G. This G is divided. So what will happen? This will go here and multiply. So this will become T square G is equal to 4 pi square B. Now, sir, D is here. I can just interchange this. I can write this equation as 4 pi square D is equal to 2 square T square G. So D can be written as T square G upon 4 pi square is multiplied to D. What will happen after the multiplication is division. That's my answer. So you need to be just careful when you are doing the left hand side, right hand side. That's all. Okay, question number 9 is same. Question 10, I'll try to do that. That is a different question. Let's see. If you're understanding it, not understanding it, do send me a comment so that I will try and see if I can make mathematics much easier for you. X square is equal to 2x. It is x square root. So what is the first thing? Squaring both sides. Done. What will this become? X square plus a is equal to 4x square. So this is very simple. Okay. I will take this to the side. So a is equal to 4x square minus x square. A is equal to 3x square. I can write this as 3x square is equal to a. X square is equal to a upon 3. Square root. Now, for the moment I get this, I will say square root. Square root to both sides. Both sides. What will that become? X is equal to plus minus root of a upon 3. That's my answer. Thank you very much, kids, for being patient with me, learning, enjoying, have fun, take care, bye bye, and do like and subscribe my channel. Have a lovely day.